I finally got paid. Hey guys, my name is Kishan and welcome back to my channel. Now, yes, I finally got paid. Now, before I get into how much I was paid for, let me summarize how many clients I have right now. So in the previous video, I mentioned that I have 2 clients right now. So I am working with 2 clients. One of the client, I'm only doing social media management. So I'm handling their Instagram and Facebook accounts. For the second client, I'm actually doing paid advertising. So I am doing social media marketing for the guy, but we haven't really gotten started with the paid advertising part. I also have one more client. Yes, I got one more client that just came in a few days ago, and this is the client that actually paid me up front. Now I'm gonna explain how I got this client and how I actually managed to close the deal. So Kishan, how did you get this client and how did you manage to close the deal and get the upfront payment? Okay, so it was like this. So this new guy was actually recommended to me by one of my clients. So my client called me the other day and he said, "Hey Kishan, do you only do advertising for construction companies or do you do for other types of businesses?" "No, I'm open to hear what you have in mind." My partner actually has a product that he wants to sell. It's actually a prebiotic product. So it's something like a sugar substitute. So far, he hasn't got anything online. He hasn't gone digital yet, but then he wants to start advertising. "Can you do advertising for my partner?" "Yeah, hey, how about we meet up and then we'll talk about this more in person." And he said yes. We set a time, a date, and a place to meet up. I actually went to the guy's office and met the guy in person, and we just talked about the product. So I'm going to show you the product right now. This is the product. So it's a healthy sweetener. So it comes in a bottle that looks like something like a honey bottle. And yeah, I went and met the guy, and the guy gave me 3 bottles for free. I went back home and I opened one up and I tasted it. It was just amazing. I don't really have the product inside because I threw away the bottles, but it looks something like this. Let me show you. Yeah, they have a pamphlet inside the box. So yeah, this is what the product looks like, and believe me, the product is super good. It tastes very good. I actually had honey at home and I took the honey bottle and I tasted the honey. It was way better than honey. So it's meant to be a sugar substitute, and it's really good for people who has diabetes and all those health problems. Oh, and a disclaimer, they gave me 3 bottles. I finished all 3 in just 4 days because it was just super good, but that was literally not how I was supposed to be drinking. I was just drinking like I was drinking water, but don't do that. So we actually set 2 meetings. The first meeting was just to get to know each other, and I told him, "Hey, let me go back and do my research and tell you what I think about this product." So I went back and did the research, and I found out that yes, I can actually market this product. There's a market for this specific type of product. So I called my client and I said, "Hey, I can do the marketing for your partner, but I hope you understand I cannot really do a free trial for you guys." "Hey Kishan, I totally understand. Can you come over to the same place again and then we can just discuss on how much you're going to charge us?" I said, "Okay." Here's the thing that led me to close the deal. My offer was just amazing. I had a pretty good offer which I catered specifically for this client. So what offer did I do? So I went back to the guy's office, and the owner of the product was actually the guy and his wife. So I was mainly talking to his wife about this, and I said, "Hey, I can do the marketing for you guys, but I don't think I can do it on a free trial. But I also don't want to charge you 2,000 ringgit per month because I already did the calculations. The reason why I didn't charge them a monthly retainer is because their profit margins wasn't that good enough for them to actually sustain paying marketing and also the agency service. So yeah, I said, "Hey, you don't have to pay me monthly. I don't want to charge you monthly, but I will charge you a one-time fee." "Okay, how much is this one-time fee?" "Okay, you just pay me 2,500 ringgit for the setup, and then once we start marketing and then we start to see sales coming in, I want 7 ringgit per product." So the clients also have a offer that they are running for this product, and they are making about 23 ringgit in profits per product sold. Their customers have the option of buying just one product, or they can buy 2 products and get 1 box for free. So I said, "Hey, you just pay me 2,500 ringgit for the setup, and the following months I will charge you 7 ringgit per product sold, but I only charge you 5 ringgit per bottle for the buy 2 free 1 offer." And then on top of that, I said, "Hey, you don't actually have to pay me everything." "What do you mean?" "Okay, let's say if I manage to sell 1,000 of these bottles, 1 bottle you're supposed to pay me 7 ringgit. If I sell 1,000 bottles, you're supposed to pay me 7,000 ringgit. ringgit. But I'm not gonna take the 7,000. Instead, I'm gonna put a cap at only 2,000 ringgit. Meaning, if I sell 1,000 bottles, you only pay me 2,000 ringgit, and then the balance profit is all for you guys to keep. And that was the winning offer that made them say, yes, I want you to do the marketing, because no one else in the marketing space is doing this kind of offer. I made another video on my YouTube channel talking about offers, and I cannot stress how important having a good offer is. If your offer stinks, I don't care how good your service or your product is, you're just not gonna get any sales. So yeah, that's how I managed to get paid. But here's the thing, the client called me a few days later and he said, hey Kishan, can we pay you 1,500 ringgit first, and then once you've completed the setup, we'll pay you the balance 1,000 ringgit. And I said okay, and then I ended the call and then went to my laptop, got the contract ready and sent it straight to the client, to which the next day they actually signed and also transferred the money directly to my bank. So yeah, that's how I actually got paid. This is the exact strategy that I'm going to use with all my future clients. Meet them in person, talk with them, build the trust, and then give them my offer, and making sure that that is a badass offer. So yeah, that's how I got paid.